everyone, this is Cindy with Creating with the Heart, and today I am back again with another card. This was intended to be a thank you card for a little boy at my daughter's school, but I was just late in putting it together and doing the video, so it'll be for something else. So I didn't decorate the inside. It's quite plain, actually. I don't even think I have a sentiment for it at all, now that I'm looking, but I will add something to it later. So we're going to start with a 5.5 by 4 1/4 card base and cardstock mat in this really pretty daffodil yellow from Stampin' Up. I wish that their paper cut better in the Cricut, because they have some beautiful paper, but it does not cut well in the Cricut at all, in my opinion. Okay, so my papers are from, I think it's Echo Park Paradise Beach, I think it is. So this one's 5 1/4 by 4. Yeah, it does not cut well. It cuts big images okay, like big things, but anything smaller, like letters and stuff, it gets stuck. Paper's just too thick. So, and then this is, I think it's 1 3/4 by 5.5. And very simple, quick, like I said, it's meant to be a kid's thank you card. Oops, I think I did something wrong. Oh yeah, I'm like, why do I have this twine here? You know, that's the problem when you design cards and it takes you a while to film them because we went on vacation and it just took a while. So I'm just going to wind it around a few times and snip it off. That's it. Okay, and let's just put that here on the bottom. And the image that I've got for you guys today is super cute, though. It's from the Beep Beep cartridge, which I do not use that enough. Could have used it earlier when my son was a baby. So cut at, oh wait, I do have a sentiment. Cut at, looks like 2.5. It is on foam. And let me get all this foam stuff off. And I'm sorry if my thing is jumping. So I want to stick to that. Okay, get all these little pieces off. I think that getting foam little stickies off is my kryptonite. It is my kryptonite because I'm doing it constantly and I am not better at it than I used to be. I want it to go faster than it goes, and it just is not always cooperating with me. And I know some people use their like little pointy things or their sharp edges that they have to get this stuff up, but I will poke myself and I'll leak blood all over my project. I am accident prone. Okay. Oh, dang it. One more. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Okay. So this is just going to go right here. And I have a sentiment. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. And this is either by my Pink Stamper or Pink by Design. I am not sure. I think it's by my Pink Stamper. Okay, so this is just going to, I'll put it right up here. Beep, beep. And then I've got some buttons. I haven't put buttons on a card in a little while. I have not forgotten you, buttons. And here you go. It's a very quick and easy little card for a boy. Thank you very much for watching today. This is Cindy with Creating with the Heart.